Hello guys, I'm just gonna do a long range flight with this Mavic Mini in extreme wind. I know you guys can see what this guy can do, so we're gonna put this to the test. And what kind of Wi-Fi technology now are they putting on this Mavic Mini? And also how small this guy is, if he can handle the interference, because this area where I'm at got lots of interference. So for me, flying this drone over here, now you guys going to see what it can actually do, and I'm also gonna explain to you with the DJI Spark and also with the Mavic Air transmission Wi-Fi limits. So we're gonna go ahead and fly this on the interference area and see what's all about. And also guys, I would not recommend this for you guys out there to do this, especially if this is if you're new flying. I would not recommend it because you will lose your drone, especially flying above water. So just letting you guys know that. And I'm gonna go ahead and
we're gonna go ahead and go for long range. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and go. It's affecting it just a little bit, you can see. It's blowing like crazy right now. And you can see he's just hovering in there. Alright. You can see the wind. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go. Go ahead and go long range with it.
Alright guys, I started up with 87% battery. So just letting you guys know, do not attempt what I'm doing here. I have to make the video go fast forward because it's gonna take forever. So in this area here, you can see the pier. Most likely, if you fly a drone here, you will lose signal. Where I'm at right now, the DJI Spark and also the DJI Mavic Air, this is their limits. Most likely, if you actually flown your Mavic Air and your DJI Spark in this area, you will lose transmission right away. I mean, it will just keep shutting off left and right. But you can see here the Mavic Mini is still trying to give me opportunity to pass this through. And also guys, you see here, you see the transmission, it just like it's weakening it already in this area. The only two drones I would say that can pass this is the Phantom 4 Pro and also the Phantom. Anything with the light bridge can pass this through, and the Mavic Pro and the Mavic Pro 2. And where I'm at right now, even a Phantom 4 will still give me a bad signal. It probably shuts off the video. But right now you can see the Mavic Mini. I don't know what kind of technology is DJI using on this little mini drone, especially 248 grams, or you can say 249 grams. I mean, this is how tiny this drone is. For me flying this, I feel like I'm flying a Mavic Pro, and I would say a Phantom 4. It's crazy how the long distance. I mean, right now where I'm at, the only way I can come over here is using LightBridge and also AccuSync capability. And right now I'm just using a Wi-Fi. And now you guys can see here, I'm lagging of my Wi-Fi signal. And guys, I would not recommend you guys to fly this over here if you're new, especially if you don't, if you never flown long range before. In this condition, you absolutely will lose your drone. See right now where I'm at, look at it. The signal just shuts off. So it's really risky. You will lose your drone. And right now, at least I'm on the water. So if I do lose it, hopefully it just fall in the water and not worry about hitting buildings or anything, whatever, people. That's the reason why I do long range in this area. And also guys, right now the wind is going with me, but if I'm returning to home, the wind, I'm gonna go fight with the wind. See, that's the reason why when you first return to home, don't make any mistake. Just return to home. Don't do any like crazy stuff. Don't take your time. When you hear that beep, go home right away. This will save your drone. I'm telling you right now. If you make few minutes avoiding that return to home, you will lose your Mavic or your drone. See right now the signal. There's lots of interference here, you know. And this is the reason why I fly the Mavic Mini, so you guys can see what the capabilities are. And now you guys can see how this Mavic can do, especially flying extreme wind. So you guys can actually see now that DJI is probably using new technology on this Wi-Fi. Of course, it's gonna be better than Spark, and also I would say with the Mavic Air, they perfected that, I'm sure, with DJI. But yeah, this thing is crazy. Look how far I am. I mean, you know, going this far is extremely crazy already. So I don't know what you guys' intention on this Mavic Mini, but this thing can go far, especially for this small and for the size and for the weight. You know, you're talking about, like I said, 249 grams. It's insane. So it's just crazy what it can do now. And now I'm just, like I said, I'm returning to home. You guys can see over here, it's just lots of interference. If you're in this situation, don't freak out. Most likely, if you lost signal, you're gonna have to automatically return to home. Anyway, guys, you guys can see this is my flight record. You guys can see it's crazy what this Mavic can do, especially flying in extreme wind. And also, guys, here this is what the Mavic can do. You can also charge it just using your Mavic Pro 2 battery. It's just so easy and simple. You can charge it almost anywhere now. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, that's about it.